How to use VN Zoom transition effect. If you want that video editor zoom in and zoom out feature on VN, you may follow up the steps. So first of all, you may just go ahead and open up the project in which your video is located. And once you open it up, you should be finding this kind of interface within your timeline. Now what you're going to do is in the bottom of your screen, you can find different options like speed, volume, fix, effects, stream, etc. So you can just go ahead and swipe right until you reach over to the section of zoom. So swipe right until you reach over to the zoom option. Just go ahead and locate it up. After that, just go ahead and tap on it. And then when you go ahead and tap on it, it will give you a bunch of options that you can apply up. So we are looking for zoom out and zoom in. You can just go ahead and tap on zoom out and it should apply the zoom out feature. Similarly, if you would like to add in the zoom in transition, you can look out for zoom in transition, apply it up. After that, tap on right, and the effect will be applied within the video that you're trying to apply it for. So this is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. It is pretty quick and easy. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.